In my experience, I found that protein is the macronutrient that most people have a challenge to get in throughout the day. So I'm gonna share with you guys 5 of my favorite protein-based snacks that you may wanna consider implementing. Number 1, and my favorite probably, is gonna be these edamame beans. The cool thing about these is they come in a box like this you can get off of Amazon. If you are interested in picking these up, I'll put a link below in the description. But these are really great because they come in 3 different flavors. So there's an option and flavor for everyone. They come in individual packs so you know exactly how much that you're getting in. So per pack, it's 100 calories. You have 2 grams of net carbs, 11 grams of protein. They're low carb, they're gluten-free, they're vegan as well, if that matters to you. It comes in 3 different flavors. You have a buffalo flavor, which are really good. You have a sriracha flavor, which are actually my favorite, and then you have a sea salt flavor. So this is something that I do recommend for people. It's something that when I'm out and about, if I'm traveling, if I'm doing anything where I'm not gonna have access to something for a time, I know I can pack a couple of these with me. I know their amount of calories I'm consuming and the amount of protein I'm getting per packet. So I think these are a great fit for anyone who's looking to get a protein-based snack in that you know how much calories, protein, carbs, and fat you're getting in because it's all measured out for you. So those are delicious. Number 2 is gonna be a yogurt. So the one I like is this Oikos Pro. This has 20 grams of protein in it. There are some yogurts that have a little bit more protein, 25 grams of protein in it. For me personally, what I've noticed in those proteins, they have some artificial sweeteners in there, which for me, if it's something I'm consuming on a daily basis, it's not something that I want to take in. So I'm okay with having a little bit less protein, 20 grams, without a product that doesn't have an artificial sweetener in it. I really like the taste of this. If I want, I'll even throw in some blueberries, but this is something that I can pack with me, take it to the gym, put it in my fridge there, and so in between clients, or if I need a protein-based snack, I can have a yogurt like this. It's delicious. It comes in a variety of different flavors. I enjoy them, my clients enjoy them, my kids enjoy them, so definitely would say this Oikos yogurt is one to give a try, or any yogurt in general that's probably at least 15 grams of protein or higher. Third protein-based snack, something I really enjoy, my oldest son loves these the most, are these natural endurance chips. Absolutely love them. Another product you can get off of Amazon. These are made with avocado oil. In each bag, there's 14 grams of protein. They come in a variety of different flavors. This is the sweet chili flavor, which is our favorite. There's a barbecue, there is a original flavor, there's a nacho cheese flavor, and I think they have 1 or 2 other flavors as well. Gluten-free, plant-based, vegan. Again, 14 grams of protein. This is a great on-the-go thing as well that you can have if you're looking for something that's a little bit chippy. If you're a person that enjoys chips, these are something that you can dip with your guac the next time you have Taco Tuesday or anything like that. But these endurance chips are really, really good. I enjoy them, and I think you should definitely give these a try as well. Number 4 is going to be this Bumblebee albacore white tuna in water. This is wild caught. It's actually also gluten-free, high in protein. 1 packet of this is a serving, and it has 170 calories, 3 grams of fat, which is minimal, 2 grams of carbs, 33 grams of protein. So just imagine this packet, 33 grams of protein. It's awesome. Again, wild caught. I have this and I love it. It's very easy to travel with. It's really easy to have at lunch, dinner, whenever you may want to have something. This is one of my go-tos each day. The 5th protein-based snack that I really like is gonna be a bar. The bar that I've actually landed on, and actually the company that I really like, is ProMix. So ProMix whole mantra is no artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. I really, really like that. Again, if it's gonna be a product, a supplement that I'm gonna take regularly, I wanna make sure it has the highest quality ingredients possible, and I wanna make sure that it has the least amount of other things that shouldn't be in there, artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners. So per bar, it's 150 calories, 15 grams of protein. So I really like this one. This is the chocolate chip puff bar. Promix.com, you can pick these up, try them out. I think they're on Amazon as well, but it's a great product. I have these, my wife likes these, my kids like them, and I feel good about giving them to them because again, there's not a bunch of junk and fillers in there. These are also gluten-free as well. So if you do have a gluten intolerance, this is a great option for you. There you have it. These are 5 of my favorite protein-based snack options, something you can try if you like, if you're looking to up your protein throughout the day. In the comments below, I would love to hear if you've tried any of these products, which one have you tried? And if you haven't tried any of these products, which one are you excited or looking to try first? Again, a lot of these you can pick up at your local supermarket. A lot of them you can pick up at Amazon. So look into these. Again, if you're looking to up your protein, I think these are a great option and they taste really good, which is super important.